Wadhiane mbele gi weche manyien ni anyuola mag ji mane oyud ringregi Shakahola idhi chak miyogi ringrego juma manyien. Ringre 34 mane oseyangi e bugono ma Shakahola oyangi ni idhi chak chiwo ne familia magi tarik 26 dwe ma wantiere ni. Kane olose kar kano ringre jomotho mar hospital ma Malindi, jabero mar sirikal Johansen Oduor oyango ni chenro no biro chakore kod hocho ne anyuola kapok gikawo ringrego.
So far, the government chemists have identified a total of 34 bodies which have been linked to relatives, and we are going to start releasing the bodies from next week on 26th. The process include logistics, which we are currently undertaking this week, which is organizing for counselors who will counsel these people, and also contacting the relatives who will come here for the purpose of taking their loved ones. So we've done that, we've contacted them, and the first batch will be arriving on 26th. What will happen is what will happen is the relative will come, and they'll have to come with a letter from the chief so that we can be able to identify these persons as the real relatives to these victims. Secondly, they'll have to come with the person who donated the DNA, because this is a person who was directly linked to the deceased. So upon coming, we'll counsel, we'll have them identify the body, then we'll release the body to them.